Hi, thanks so much for joining us at Rallyhood. Today I'm going to be demonstrating how to create a new rally inside of a hub. Today I'm logged into my demo user account in Rallyhood. I'm going to go into my Forest North Service Unit Hub. Once you're inside of your hub, please click on Groups or Rallies. As a hub admin, you can create new rallies under the hub umbrella. A staff member might do this within a hub for a new department or professional development group, or in my demo scenario, a service unit manager might do this from the service unit hub to help a troop leader create a rally for their troop. First, you can change a header image or wait to do that later. In my demo user's case, they may want to add a picture of their troop. What would you like to call your rally? I will call this Danielle's Rally. You can add a description or create a rally cry for your group. There's a defaulted message that states, "Great things happen when we come together. Thanks for all you do to make our community strong." Next, you will be given the option to assign this rally to a category. Today, we are choosing Forest North as our hub. When you press Next, it will create your rally, but you still have additional settings to finish customizing. Membership settings. Who should be able to join this group? Public is anyone who is interested can join. Private, members must be invited to have their request approved by an admin, or unlisted means members may only be invited by an admin. This rally will not appear in any search results. Today we're going to go with public. Anyone can be invited, and hit next. Now we can customize our rally settings. We're going to keep our message wall on. You can turn it off if you wish. Special events, gallery, links, give, calendar, payments, files, signups, and friends. I'm going to leave all of these on. I'm going to click Done. And voila, you have a brand new rally. Now that we've created our rally, if we'd like to go back to our hub environment, we can click this back button here next to Forest North Service Unit Community. This is our carrot trail. This will bring you back to your hub. Scroll down, and here's the rally we just created. As you can see, here's the rally icon with the family. If you'd like to navigate back to your Rallyhood dashboard, scroll up the page and click on the Rallyhood icon. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood today. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.